With that, before we adjourn, I sort of want to come back to today's theme, which is about coming together. And this is not just about your operational databases, analytics, and BI systems. While that's amazing in itself, it's the community that you've helped build and how we've come together that's even more special. And we need to continue to come together, as human beings to support each other. There's a huge amount of transition that's happening in our industry. How do we support, learn from each other, grow our careers? And on that note, let's wrap up with this video that illustrates the true resilience of this community. Please roll the video.
As many of you know, Hugo Cornelis, a passionate data platform MVP, lover of all things SQL Server, active member of the data community, and all-around wonderful guy, was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia, or AML, in September of this year. The weeks since have been filled with bone marrow punctures, transfusions, chemotherapy, and hospital stays, all while continuing to share his knowledge of SQL Server with the community. If you needed to know about execution plans or performance, odds are good you've benefited from his work. Hugo was supposed to speak at several conferences this fall, including here in Seattle at Past Summit. And while he won't be here in person, we want him to know that he's with us in spirit. Stuart Scott, an American sports broadcaster, gave some wonderful advice during his fight with cancer. Stuart said, "You beat cancer by how you live, why you live, and the manner in which you live. So live, fight like hell, and when you're too tired to fight, rest and let someone else fight for you. So today is the day that we fight for Hugo." Aaron Stellato and Ben Weissman wanted to show Hugo how much he is loved and how hard we'll fight for him. They've created a way for you to honor Hugo and his fight. Today, you'll see members of the data community sharing their support on social media with the hashtag TeamHUGO. And as you look around the conference, you'll see people wearing their Team Hugo t-shirts. The cost of every shirt included a donation to a charity chosen by Hugo, the Leukemia Research Foundation. Do you want to do even more? You can donate directly to the charity at leukemiarf.org or participate in Hugo's annual Black Friday charity sale at SQLServerFast.com. You can also register to be a bone marrow donor. To find an organization in your country that can help, or any of the links that I've mentioned today, navigate to aka.ms/TeamHUGO.